Want to make money online without showing your face and using free AI tools like ChatGPT? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn ChatGPT into a digital product machine and create content you can sell, all in under an hour. Let's jump in. First, you need a niche that people are already buying from. Think about what's trending on Etsy or Gumroad: productivity, budgeting, fitness, mental health, or parenting. These are hot right now. For this video, I'm picking productivity for students, but you can choose whatever fits you best. Now, let's let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Pop open ChatGPT and type this prompt: create a 10-page productivity guide for college students. Instantly, you'll get a structured outline and all the content you need. Want to make it more engaging? Make it friendly and include real-life examples. Just like that, you have a full guide, ready to turn into a sellable product. Here's a quick tip. Always ask ChatGPT for a friendly tone. It makes your product way more appealing. Most beginners stop here, but don't click away just yet. I've got a bonus tip that'll take your product from basic to bestseller. Next, it's design time, and you don't need to be a pro. Head to Canva or Google Docs and pick a free ebook or planner template. Paste in your text, tweak the layout, and design a simple cover. With Canva's drag and drop tools, you'll have a clean, professional-looking digital product, even if you've never designed anything before. And here's that bonus. Don't just stick to eBooks. Ask ChatGPT for a printable daily planner, checklist, or habit tracker. Printables are some of the hottest sellers on Etsy right now, and you can create them in minutes using the same free tools. Once you're happy with your product, it's time to sell. Upload it to Gumroad, Etsy, or Ko-Fi. Set your price, $5, $7, whatever you think it's worth, and start building that passive income stream. Want me to walk you through listing and pricing your first product step by step? Drop show me in the comments so I know to make that video next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more faceless AI side hustle ideas.